Hey everybody, check out this diamond tester I've got here. It's a Diamond Shore, and the way it's gonna work, I'll show you guys it here. This is what it looks like here, and this is it there. So the way it works is you kind of just, it has two different ways. It has infrared, I guess, or ultraviolet. So that just lets you see ultraviolet things, so you can kind of see if it's, if something is fluorescent in the ultraviolet. But then you also have the diamond tester. So you turn it on, you let it do its little calibration business, and then when it'll kind of start lighting up lights as it heats up its little tip. And then when it gets to the ready, then you know it's ready to test. So we're gonna go ahead and test it here in a second. Okay, got to figure it out the way it works. You had to wait a few seconds until some of these lights came on, and then I pushed the button, hold my finger on that, and then I put it on whatever I want. So if I put it onto something like that, it just kind of does nothing. This here might have a diamond coating or something like that, but it's not doing anything. And then when I try to get one of these diamonds here, look at that. It sees that it's a diamond because there are diamonds on this diamond tip thing. How cool. I take it away and it's not there. So pretty neat little device. Let me see if I put it on something else. Nah. But it knows on the diamond tip. Pretty neat. Okay, we're gonna check another one on with this one here. There we go. Ready? There's the bracelet. So let's try this thing here. And this one here goes to that middle one might be diamond, and then this here is I'm in the middle of it. There we go. So that is diamonds.